Namaste everyone. Welcome to Prakalp, Fun with Hindi Learning for Beginners. Today we are going to learn counting from 1 to 50 in Hindi. I'm going to teach you how to count from 1 to 50 and also give you a few tips as to how to remember them and how to memorize them in an easy way. So without any delay, let us go and enjoy, have fun learning the numbers in Hindi. Please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification whenever I post a new video. This video consists of two parts. In the first part, we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 50 in Hindi. I am also going to show you the spellings so that you can learn the numbers and the pronunciation. In the second part, we are going to learn how to remember these numbers. So, let's go ahead and have fun. Let us learn from 1 to 50. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now that you have seen and heard the numbers from 1 to 50, let me give you a few cues as to how to remember them. Let us move on to part 2. We've got all the numbers from 1 to 50 here. We need to learn them. The spelling of learn is L-E-A-R-N. So let us take the first two letters, L and E, and see how we can learn these. Let's go ahead. Let us write L first. So you can see that the numbers on the left and the bottom are covered when we write L. We've got the E also here. So we have the L and E. That means we need to learn all these numbers to remember the other ones. If we remember these 16 numbers, it makes us easier to learn the other numbers. How? Let us see. I have kept only those numbers which we need to memorize first. So let us have a look at it once again. It is एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, 7,
8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 11, 16. There is some similarity when we learn the other numbers. Let us go row by row. Let us start from row 1. Row 1 has 1, 11, 21, 31 and 41. 1 is ek. If you remember E, then 21, 31 and 41 start with E. Row 2 has 2, 12, 22, 32 and 42. 2 is do. If you remember B, then 12, 22, 32 and 42 start with B. It becomes easier from row 3. 3 has 3, 13, 23, 33 and 43. So 3 is teen. If you remember the, then 13 starts with the, 23 starts with the, 33 and 43 also start with the. Let's move on to row 4. Row 4 has 4, 14, 24, 34 and 44. 4 is char. If you remember char, then 14 starts with cha, 24 starts with cha, 34 starts with cha and 44 starts with cha. Let's move on to row 5. Row 5 has 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. 5 is panch. So if you remember per, 15 starts with per, 25 starts with per, 35 starts with per and 45 also starts with per. Let us move on to row 6. Row 6 has 6, 16, 26, 36 and 46. 6 is ch. So if you remember the ch, 26 starts with ch, 36 starts with ch, 46 also starts with ch. I had already told you that 16 is slightly different, so you have to memorize 16, which is sola. I'm sure you must be getting the logic now. Let us move on to row 7. Row 7 has 7, 17, 27, 37 and 47. 7 is Sat. If you remember Sat, Sa. 17 starts with Sa, 27 starts with Sa, 37 starts with Sa and 47 also starts with Sa. In row 8, we have 8, 18, 28, 38 and 48. 8 is art. So if you remember 18 starts with 28 starts with 38 starts with and 48 starts with a. Row 9 has 9, 19, 29, 39 and 49. 9 is no. So if you remember un, then 19 starts with un, 29 starts with un, 39 starts with un and 49 starts with un. Let us see the last row now, which is thus 20, 30, 40, 50. A few more things to remember before we proceed further. 11 to 18 will end with h. Since 20 is b's, 21 to 28 will end with e's. Since 30 is these, 31 to 38 will end with these. Since 40 is Charlie's, 41 to 48 will end with lees. Now, 19 will resemble bees, 29 will resemble these, 39 will resemble Charlie's, and 49 will resemble Pachas. Let us go ahead and learn them in detail. Let us start from row 1. 1 is ek, 11 is gyara, and 21, 31 and 41 start with E. So it is ikkis, iktis and ikyalis. 2 is do. If you remember ba, then 12 is bara, 22 is bais, 32 is battis and 42 is bayalis. 3 is teen, ta. 13 is tera, 23 teis, 33 is tैंतीस, 43 तैंतालीस. 4 is char, cha. So 14 is chौदह, 24 is चौबीस, 34 is चौंतीस, 44 is चौवालीस. 5 is पांच, p. 15 is 15, 25 is 25, 35 is 35, 45 is 45. Easy to remember, isn't it? 6 is छः, छ. 16, 16, we have to remember that. Then 26 is 26, 36, 36, and 46, 46. 7 is सात, स. So 17 is 17, 27 is 27, 37 is 37, 47 is 47. 8 is 8, so 18 is 18, 28 is 28, 38 is 38, and 48 is 48. 9 is 9, and 19, 29, 39 and 49 start with un. If you remember, I had told you that 19 will resemble 20, 29 will resemble 30, 39 will resemble 40, and 49 will resemble 50. So 19 is उन्नीस, 29 is उनतीस, 39 is उनतालीस, and 49 is उनचास. Let us have a quick recap from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So easy to remember the numbers if you learn this way, isn't it?
Dear children, I'm sure it would be easy for you to remember the numbers from 1 to 50. Rather, if I say in Hindi, 1 से 50 tak. So, till we meet again, keep practicing, keep learning and have fun.